Hi, I'm M.A.C and I like makeup. You like makeup? That's why we're here. And today I'm gonna show you how to do a cute little holiday piece with lots of glitter and a simple eyeliner. Just direct, easy, straightforward, cute little glam makeup for your holidays. How did you guys spend your 24th? We spent it in bed, eating junk food, watching movies, playing video games, just kind of chilling at home. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you follow along. I hope it turns out. Thank you for watching in advance. And I guess there's nothing else to say other than let me pass you on to the bitch with no makeup. So I'm gonna be using the Pricked palette for most of the look because it's the one that I have that has like the most like holiday-ish colors. But I'm also gonna be using this palette that my sister-in-law got me for Christmas last year because it also has like festive-ish like glam colors. I'm gonna be using a little bit of both of them. For my like transition color or for like my brow bone color, I'm gonna use this little brown right here. It's like a little matte light-ish brown color. These eyeshadows are so fucking cute and they're so like nice and pigmented and creamy and I love them so much. I have two options for the red that I want to use. I can either use Forged or I can use this cool. This is like, they're super similar, but this one's a little cooler and then this one's a little warmer. Ugh. And then this one has a little bit of shimmer to it, which is why it looks like that. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star one as a base. So I'm gonna use this in the middle and then I'm gonna like not totally blend it out just yet. I'm just kind of depositing the color in the middle. Also, I keep forgetting to make TikToks as I'm recording these videos. I did it once, I think. I was doing a video and then I was like randomly like taking parts of the video for TikTok and I keep forgetting to do that. But also, I don't know, I don't really use TikTok as much anymore. It's gone a little bit downhill. To kind of blend that out, I'm gonna blend it out with the same brown because I don't want to blend just the red. And I'm being super light-handed here. So just like, I'm just trying to make sure that I don't like put the red on the brown. I'm just trying to make it so that it blends out, but I don't like incapacitate the brown with the red, you know what I mean? For the outer corner, I'm gonna use a darker red. So this one is Slice Me Open. A super fluffy brush because I don't want it to be super dark. I just want it to be like super blended into the colors that are already there. And then this red, we are gonna kind of mix it into the brown. So we're not gonna like deposit it in, we're just gonna kind of apply it on the eyelid while also kind of mixing it in. And then I'm kind of using like these little circular motions. Okay, next I'm going to grab my little flat highlight brush and then I'm going to be using this little highlight color up here. So I'm going to use that in the very inner corner and then as always I'm going to kind of pull it into the already existing colors, but very, very lightly. Like that. And then usually when I do this, I try to go up like this. So that's why you see that little white in the middle instead of trying to just keep it in the very inner corner. And then it kind of looks like a cut crease. So I'm gonna use the golden color at the very corner of this palette. Just tap it with my finger right here and kind of mix it in with the highlight color into the red, but I'm not gonna like super mix it into the red. I'm just gonna kind of, my priority is mixing it into the highlight, not the red, because we're gonna do something different for the red. For the rest of the gold, I'm gonna grab Glimmer of Hope from the Jeffree Star palette and then I'm gonna tap that in the middle. And then this is a glitter. It's not like a metallic like the one that I just used. So it's a little bit easier to blend into the red because then it won't make the red kind of lose color in that area. It's just gonna add a little bit of glitter on top of the red. So we're gonna have the highlight, the gold color, and then like a gold glitter that kind of dissipates, I guess, into the red. I do want to put some glitter on top of the red. So for that, we're gonna go to the Tracy palette. I don't have like a red glitter on this palette or in any other palette if I'm being 100% honest, but I do have this little like copper metallic up here that's kind of like pretty light, and I'm just gonna kind of put that all over because it doesn't look like it's gonna mess with the color, the red color. It's just gonna kind of put a shimmer on top of it. All right, cool. So it's very light, but there is a little bit of shimmer all over the lid now. And then that's what I wanted. Perfect. Next, I'm gonna grab the same highlight color that I used for my inner corner, and I'm gonna use that on my brow bone up here. and then I'm just gonna kind of blend that out a little bit. Usually I kind of overdo it with the colors in my brow, and I try not to, but I usually use the highlight color to just kind of bring it down a little bit. So if there was any color that went like way too high up, you can use the highlight to kind of bring it back down. Okay, so that's the top part. We're good on that. I'm gonna do my face really quick, and we'll be right back to the bottom part of the eyes. So I'll be right back. Okay, so my face is pretty much done. We're gonna do the bottom part of the eyes, and it's just gonna be pretty much the same thing. We're gonna grab that like brown here, and then I'm gonna use that in the very edge, the very corner of my eye over here, and then I'm gonna bring that in a little bit, but I'm not gonna make it touch my waterline in the very inner corner, because I am still gonna do my little peak over there. There we go, like that. And then a little bit of the red in the middle, and then I'm just gonna tap that in. I'm not gonna like do a lot of blending on that, so we're just gonna tap a little bit of the red in the middle just to kind of have that there. And then for the darker color, so we're just gonna have a little bit of forged in the middle to just kind of have the pop, right? And then for Slice Me Open, I'm gonna take the same brush, but I'm gonna kind of like go like that to flatten it, and then just kind of put the colors together on that inner corner a little bit, and then I'm just gonna quickly just brush it off like that, and then that's it. So we're not gonna put a lot of effort into it. We're just trying to have the colors mix in together and then blend them out really quick. So you don't need to put a lot of effort in the bottom. If you just kind of apply the same colors that you did at the top, everything just kind of pulls itself together. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the golds. Take a little bit of the gold and use it over here, and then on the bottom I usually do pull the glitters a little bit farther back. And then the Glimmer of Hope, Jeffree, I'm gonna put that in the very middle. Then I'm not gonna use the same copper shimmer that I used at the top. We're just gonna leave it like that. For the inner corner in the bottom, I'm gonna use the About Face glitter eyeshadow. This is Tin Pan Alley, and then I'm just gonna put it right in the inner corner. So I'm not gonna use white for this look because I don't want it to be that dramatic. So we're just gonna use a little bit of the glitter, and we're just gonna kind of pull it into the gold. Okay, that's the eyeshadow. Next is gonna be just mascara, liner, lipstick, and we're good to go. So for liner, I'm gonna use a combination of my 3 favorite ones. So the Quick Flicks and then the Clinique High Impact liner. And then I'm gonna keep it small for this. And then I'm just gonna connect that into my eye. I don't know why my eye's moving so much. I grab a compact because I can't fucking see. So I'm gonna finish darkening up the inside, and then I'm gonna elongate this a little bit. So the lines don't have to be straight, they just have to be clean. I usually do a little flick on the inside because I have like kind of hooded eyes, and they kind of eat up my makeup and my eyeliner as soon as I open my eyes. You don't really have to worry about the lines being like straight in right now. This one kind of has like a little curve if you really look at it, and this one, so does this one. So that way when I open my eyes, the eyeliner doesn't just completely disappear. Just make sure that you don't have like smudginess, or when the eyeliner kind of skips on the skin or stuff like that. Just make sure that that doesn't happen. Your eyeliner doesn't have to be straight. For lash, I'm gonna use the Pat McGrath Labs. Oh, that squirted everywhere. And then I don't want to put lashes on for this, if I'm being honest. I want to keep it as simple as possible. If you have lashes and you want to use them, do whatever makes you happy, but I'm not gonna use lashes because I don't want it to be like that dramatic. I just want it to be like a nice, cute little glam. I don't want it to be like super dramatic. Okay, I really need to start getting into eyelash curlers, but I keep forgetting to get one. So for the bottom lashes, I am gonna use mascara, but I'm gonna use the Fuck Proof mascara in brown. This is from the Pricked collection because I don't want them again to look super dramatic, but I do want them to be visible. So I'm gonna use the brown mascara to kind of achieve that. There we go. So the bottom lashes are visible, but they're not black and dramatic, and then that's what we want for the look. Fuck, I'm running out. Can you guys remind me that I need to get more setting spray? Thank you. For lip, I'm gonna use this Beauty Vault lip liner. I'm not gonna like super line it. I'm just gonna put it there, and then I'm just gonna blend that out as much as I can. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go with this Farrah lip. It's on the shade Tiffany. This is a really pretty color. And then this is a super pretty color. I fucking love it. I barely use it. I don't even know why. And let me deal with this real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, we're done. And I was really trying to go for the red Christmas thing. Let's be real. That's it. That's how you do a cute little Christmas glam holiday look. And if there are any more makeup looks that you want me to try or do a how-to, again, let me know down in the comments as well. If you try the look, take a pic, tag me on social media. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. It is at got_Moxie with 2 X's on everything. Thank you for watching. Once again, I really hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next week. Bye.